So market is moving exactly what we predicted it to do, right? Our prediction still stand, and the prediction is that we still going to be expecting a bullish move on our Euro GBP. So basically, our prediction on Euro GBP is still a bullish move. That is what we are predicting. We should be expecting a bullish move. Now, you can see that the overall movement on our Euro GBP is an uptrend move. But before you go ahead to predict what markets will be doing for the day, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel and you've not done that yet, make sure you click on the subscribe button, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now guys, if you take a look at this overall movement right here, right? If you take a look at this right here, you see that the overall movement on our Euro GBP is in an uptrend move. The overall movement on Euro GBP is in an uptrend move. So market was able to rally up, right? Then it came back and it tapped our support level, right? Market eventually ejected from our support level and bounced up, right? Market then eventually dropped to retest the same support level, right? Then market eventually ejected and bounced up, right? Now market has now come back to retest the same level. Guess what market did? Market rejected and bounced up, right? Now market has now come back to test the same level. So we will be expecting market to actually reject and bounce up. So this is to tell you that a bullish move for the day is what you should be expecting on our Euro GBP. So this is one of the reasons why I say if you are not yet in the buy, now is the best time to go in for the buy. Now is the best opportunity. I mean, take a look at it. Whenever market comes to time support level, there is usually a huge movement to the upside. The market did here. Muscle market did it right here, also did it right here. So now is the best opportunity to go in for the buy. So make sure you open for the buy. It is not when the move have already been made, you start looking to go in. Hop in early so you need to make a lot of pips from this movement. Above all, movement to the upside is what you should be expecting. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. Subscribe in order for you to miss out on the updates.